Hey everyone! If you're looking to boost your skin's glow from the comfort of your own home, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm sharing 5 quick home remedies for glowing skin. These tips are not only easy to follow, but also super effective in giving you that radiant look you've been dreaming of. From natural ingredients to simple techniques, get ready to transform your skincare routine with items you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's dive into these skin-loving secrets and get that glow on. Let's start with a classic, Aloe Vera gel. This plant is a powerhouse of benefits for your skin. Simply slice a leaf off an aloe vera plant, squeeze out the gel, and apply it directly to your face. The cooling properties help soothe any skin irritation and provide intense hydration. Aloe vera is also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help speed up skin healing and fight off free radicals. Use it as an overnight mask or a daily moisturizer to see visible improvements in your skin's texture and clarity. It's perfect for all skin types, especially if you have sensitive or inflamed skin. Next up, let's talk about honey. Nature's sweet solution to many skincare issues. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties, making it excellent for acne prevention and treatment. To create a honey mask, simply apply a thin layer of raw organic honey to your face and let it sit for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask will not only combat acne, but also add an instant glow to your face by pulling moisture into your skin. For an extra boost, mix a little cinnamon or taricum into your honey mask for added benefits. Regular use can lead to a significant reduction in active breakouts and a smoother, more glowing complexion. Moving on to a refreshing remedy, cucumber slices. Known for their hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties, cucumbers are fantastic for reducing swelling and soothing irritated skin. Just cut a few thin slices of cucumber and place them directly on your eyes and any red or inflamed areas on your face. Leave them on for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cucumber's natural antioxidants to work their magic. This method helps in reducing eye puffiness and gives your skin a fresh, rejuvenated look. It's a great quick fix after a long day or when you need a moment of relaxation. Turmeric is a spice that's not only great in dishes, but also in your skincare routine. To use turmeric for your skin, make a paste by mixing turmeric powder with a little bit of water or yogurt. Apply it to your face for about 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce pigmentation, heal scars, and even out skin tone. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with hyperpigmentation or acne scars. Just be cautious, as turmeric can stain fabrics, so wear an old shirt and use a dedicated face towel. Lastly, let's not forget the wonders of green tea. Take used green tea bags, cool them in the refrigerator, and then place them over your eyes or any part of your face needing a refresh. The caffeine and antioxidants in green tea help reduce puffiness by shrinking blood vessels and decrease inflammation. It's an excellent remedy for waking up tired eyes and adding a natural glow to your complexion. For an all-over effect, you can also rinse your face with cooled green tea. This will impart a healthy, radiant look and feel to your skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these natural remedies helpful and that you're excited to try them out for yourself. Remember, consistent use is key to seeing the best results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Remedies Insider for more tips on how to enhance your beauty naturally. Catch you in the next video, and until then, keep glowing and thriving with these fantastic home remedies.